Did you know that each storefront lock is designed for a specific purpose? That's right, depending on the type of door, the use of that door, and the security requirements of that door, a different lock will be needed. Let's take a look. This is a hook bolt. When it's locked, it interlocks into the frame or into another door, which makes it extremely difficult to be forced open, even with a pry bar. This is the dead latch. This allows the door to latch and lock every single time the door closes. It can also be paired with a nice paddle lever on the inside for free exit, or it can be set to a retracted position to allow for free entry and exit. And this is the Swingle. This is made out of laminated steel and is extremely strong. And when you pair it with something like a 3-point locking system, it automatically swings up to lock that door. Understanding what each one of these products is designed to do is going to be crucial for you to offer the right solution for each project. Lucky for you, companies like this offer teams of support to help you make those right security decisions. A huge shout out to Wesco for sending me these locks so I can play with them here in the office. I'll make sure to put their website in the description. And as always, to learn more about glass, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button here at the bottom. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.